March 3, 2026 Afternoon Session Financial News Summary, Eastern Time, covering 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Welcome to your market update. Before we begin, please subscribe for daily financial insights and market analysis. News 1: ECB holds rates, revises 2026 growth outlook lower. The European Central Bank kept its deposit facility rate at 3.25% but cut its 2026 Eurozone GDP growth forecast to 0.8% from 1.2%, citing persistent weakness. The euro fell 0.5% to 1.0720 against the dollar. News 2: U.S. February ISM Services PMI drops to 50.1. The Institute for Supply Management Services Index fell sharply to 50.1 from 53.4, barely above the 50.0 expansion threshold and missing the 53.0 consensus. The 10-year Treasury yield dropped 8 basis points to 4.05%. News 3: Oil prices plunge 4.2% on demand concerns. Brent crude futures fell $3.50 to $79.80 per barrel after the weak U.S. ISM data and a reported 5.2 million barrel weekly inventory build. Energy stocks led the S&P 500 down 0.8%. News 4: BOJ Governor signals patience on further policy normalization. In a parliamentary testimony, Governor Ueda stated the bank will proceed cautiously after exiting negative rates, dampening expectations for rapid hikes. The yen weakened to 151.85 per dollar. News 5: Salesforce shares surged 12% on strong AI-driven guidance. The cloud software giant reported Q4 revenue of $9.45 billion, beating estimates, and issued FY 2027 revenue guidance above consensus, citing strong demand for its AI products. The stock led tech sector gains. News 6: China sets 2026 GDP growth target at around 5%. Premier Li announced the target during the National People's Congress opening, aligning with 2025's goal but offering limited details on new stimulus. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index closed flat. News 7: U.S. dollar index rises 0.6% to 104.50 on flight to safety. The DXY strengthened as weak services data and falling treasury yields spurred a risk-off move, pressuring most major currencies except the Swiss franc. That concludes today's financial news summary. Stay tuned for market updates and have a profitable day ahead.